Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the bold and iconic 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, a motorcycle that continues to represent classic American muscle with a modern twist. The Fat Boy has long been a symbol of power and presence on the road, and the 2025 model carries that legacy forward with fresh upgrades and unmistakable style. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this bike remains a favorite among cruiser enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy keeps its legendary stance intact while introducing refined design elements that enhance its road-dominating presence. The solid disc Lancaster wheels return, now with a sharper finish that complements the bike's muscular profile. The signature LED headlamp is encased in a streamlined nacelle, giving the front end a more aggressive and modern look. Harley offers the 2025 Fat Boy in a range of new color options, including stealthy matte tones and bold chrome-accented finishes, ensuring there's a style for every rider. Performance and powertrain. Underneath its rugged exterior lies a powerhouse of an engine, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin, making its debut on the Fat Boy for 2025. This engine delivers a punchy 125 lb-ft of torque, providing that low-end grunt Harley riders crave. The throttle response is crisp and acceleration is effortless thanks to the refined fuel mapping. Whether you're cruising the boulevard or hitting the open highway, the 2025 Fat Boy offers a smooth yet thrilling ride. The updated chassis and suspension offer improved comfort and handling, keeping the ride planted and confidence-inspiring in every curve. Safety and technology. Harley-Davidson has also stepped up the tech game with the 2025 Fat Boy. The bike now features selectable ride modes, allowing riders to tailor performance to their preferences or riding conditions. A new digital display is subtly integrated into the classic dash, offering real-time data on speed, gear, fuel, and more. The updated braking system with cornering-enhanced ABS and traction control ensures that safety is as much a priority as style and speed. Comfort upgrades include a reworked seat and ergonomic handlebars designed for long-haul ease. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy continues to be a symbol of raw attitude and road presence, blending heritage with innovation. It's the perfect bike for riders who demand power, comfort, and unmistakable style in one package. Whether you're a longtime Harley loyalist or a newcomer drawn to its unmistakable silhouette, the Fat Boy delivers a ride that's as iconic as its name. For more reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles, be sure to subscribe to Gear Grinders.